Hi everybody, welcome again to one of our demonstrations. What we're showing you today, this is a Quadro Comil. It's the 194S. You can see it right there. And we have the hopper removed, so you can get a good look right now. Rotor is running true, there's no rubbing. Jim, go ahead and turn our speed up. And this has a 5 horsepower Sterling variable speed drive. You'll see that all the controls are explosion proof. As well as the drive, everything is conduit hard piped. And if I turn that off, you can probably hear me a little better. Allen Bradley reset, of course. They added this small RPM gauge, and it's not operational. Sterling drive, and of course the discharge underneath. We're operating on 460 3-phase voltage. It is a dual voltage motor. Naturally, you have to change the wiring to do that. Go back to 220. But that was the original operating voltage we stayed with. So we thank you for enjoying this video today, and we hope to hear from you soon.